Today's story is June 29, 1999 by David Wiesner. The place is Hohokus, New Jersey, the year 1999. On May 11th, after a month of careful planning and research, Holly Evans launches her vegetable seedlings into the sky. On May 18th, the young scientist reports on her experiment. Holly intends to study the effects of extraterrestrial conditions on vegetable growth and development. She expects the seedlings to stay afloat for several weeks before returning to Earth. Classmates are speechless. The date is June 29. Shortly after sunrise, a member of the Billings, Montana Moose Lodge hiking through the Rocky Mountains makes a startling discovery. Robert Burnbull is in a daze when he returns to camp. All he can say for the next several hours is turnips. All over the country, the skies are filled with vegetables. Cucumbers circle Kalamazoo, lima beans loom over Levittown, artichokes advance on Anchorage, parsnips pass by Providence. And broccoli lands with a big bounce on Holly Evans' backyard. In Umatilla, Iowa, Tony Kramer emerges from his barn and shouts for joy, "At last! The blue ribbon at the state fair is mine!" And by mid-afternoon, all vegetables float safely to the ground. Well, except for the peppers. For some reason, they needed a little help staying down. The news channel broadcasts 24-hour coverage of the airborne vegetable event. Cauliflower carpets California, spinach blankets Greenwich, and arugula covers Ashtabooga. Holly's puzzled. Arugula was not part of her experiment. Vegetables are becoming big business. Peas from Peoria are shipped down the Mississippi to Mobile in exchange for eggplants. Real estate's boom in North Carolina. Avocado bolsters Vermont's economy. Potato lands wisely abandoned. And the Big Apple is renamed the Big Rutabaga. Arugula, eggplant, avocado, and now rutabaga. As the list of vegetables that Holly did not plant grows longer, she concludes that the giant specimen are not the result of her experiment. And she asks herself, what happened to my vegetables? And whose broccoli is in my backyard? Well, the place is the ionosphere. On June 29th, the Arcturian star cruiser Aurora Borealis was touring the sixth planet in 4 days, and the captain had just pointed out the fjords of Norway on the port side. In the galley, an assistant fry cook accidentally jettisons the entire food supply, and as their vegetables drift towards the small blue planet below, everyone on board had the same thought. Where would their supply of food come from now? And there they found Holly's vegetables floating